Hi, I'm Michelle Su, a product marketer at Imgix. I'm excited to introduce you to our AI-powered background replacement tool, which allows you to instantly transform the backdrops of your images with simple text prompts. This feature was designed to save you time, reduce production costs, and give you more creative freedom without the need for any advanced coding or design skills. From reducing the need for costly photo shoots to helping you adapt to market trends, background replacement empowers you to easily customize your visuals to perfectly match any campaign, season, or holiday. Let's take a look at a practical example. Imagine you're a marketer at Awesome Activewear, an athletic apparel company. Here's an image from a photo shoot of a model wearing the latest workout set that you want to promote. And you want to personalize your marketing campaign to target different customer demographics. First, let's target coastal areas by setting the runner on a beachy backdrop. We'll do this by using the background replacement feature in the image URL with the prompt "runner on the beach." In just a few seconds, your model is now running on the beach, which is a perfect image to help your coastal customers envision themselves running or working out in this set. Now, let's hyper-target your audience who live near major parks and who are interested in running. You can use the prompt "runner in the park" to change the background to that setting. And now you have a professional-grade, fully licensed photo ready to use for this specific audience. We can do that again for a cityscape, treadmill, track, desert, and so on. With just a few words, you can increase the relevance of your visuals to resonate with all types of customers and really deepen that connection and engagement with your audience. You can further transform your backgrounds if the first generation doesn't hit the mark immediately. With our background replacement negative prompt parameter, you can remove unwanted elements from the generated background. Let's go back to the runner in a desert. I like the direction of where this image is going, but it's not quite right yet. The plants are making it a bit too busy, and I want to remove them so that my audience can focus on the outfit that the runner is modeling. All I have to do is set the negative prompt parameter to equal plants, and it removes the plants from the image. Lastly, if you simply want to make all your images look uniform with a solid background, you can use a color prompt or hex code to quickly fill the background. We created background replacement to help you keep your content fresh and to help you engage with your audience better and faster. It's also a great way to test and iterate on ideas before you decide on a concept, which saves you time and boosts creativity. By using background replacement along with our other AI transformation features, the possibilities of what you can do with a single image are endless. If you'd like to explore how background replacement can change the way you create content, please reach out to your account manager or contact us at support@imgix.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.